If you grew up in the 90s, you probably remember the iconic Fruit Gushers, a gummy candy with liquid centers that burst with fruity flavor. Back then, they were a lunchbox staple and a hit among kids. Now they're making a huge comeback, thanks to TikTok. Creators are giving Gushers new life by combining them with various treats, from tangy bowls mixed with lime juice to candy burritos wrapped in fruit roll-ups and dipped in chamoy. The flavor creations are endless. Some fans are even turning them into wild snacks, like Gushers-stuffed meatballs. And the creativity doesn't stop there. By pairing Gushers with cotton candy, creators found an irresistibly sweet combo that candy lovers can't get enough of. Fruit Gushers aren't just a nostalgic trip down memory lane, they're also kosher, gluten-free, and vegan-friendly, making them a treat for everyone. Whether you enjoy them straight from the pack or experiment with TikTok-inspired recipes, Gushers deliver a juicy burst of fun every time. At Redstone Foods, we love helping candy shops stay ahead of the latest trends. With a wide variety of flavors from sour berry to tropical blends, Gushers are a must-have for any store looking to excite customers. Ready to stock up? Visit Redstone Foods online or give us a call today. Let's make your candy aisle the talk of the town, and you'll see why Redstone Foods is America's favorite candy distributor.